All right, in 1940, the United States Navy began outfitting its battleships with a secret program called radar, also known as radio detection and ranging. This helped the United States Navy in its initial efforts to begin over-the-horizon targeting against the Japanese in World War II. Today, radar is essentially on every military platform and is responsible for tracking and guiding a majority of weapons to their targets. Good morning, I'm Chief Beating. I've got over 11 years experience with multiple different types of radars across multiple different classification levels. I'm a qualified Orion Weapons and Tactics instructor, the 2007 Commander Patrol and Reconnaissance Wing 10 Instructor of the Year. Why would anybody want to know about radar? It's simple, because the ever-growing technology of modern-day radar helps keep our troops and country safe from those who threaten it. We're going to quickly dive through a basic pulse radar system components in each of their uses. Pulse radar systems can functionally be divided into 6 essential components, as seen here. The first, the synchronizer, the heart of the system, supplies the synchronizing signals at time of transmitted pulses, the indicator, and other circuits. The transmitter generates electromagnetic energy in the short form of powerful pulses. The duplexer allows the same antenna to be used for transmitting and receiving. The antenna system routes the electromagnetic energy from the transmitter, radiates in a highly directional beam, receives any returning echoes, and routes it through those echoes to the receiver. So out, ping, back. The receiver amplifies that signal. Electromagnetic pulses are returned from the reflector of the object, reproducing those video pulses that are sent to the indicator. So the receiver brings back that energy, amplifies it, and then sends it to the indicator to be seen by the operator. The indicator produces a visual indication of an echo pulses in that manner at a minimum, furnishing ranges and bearing information. So in most of the movies you see sweet dot mark. While the physical configuration of a radar system may differ, any radar system can be represented by the components explained. An actual radar set may have several of these function components within one physical unit, or a single one of these functions may require several physical units. However, the functional block diagram of a basic radar set may be used to analyze the operation of almost any radar set. In review, we've covered 6 components of a pulse radar system and their function. A synchronizer, known as the heart of the radar, for timing. A transmitter, which transmits the signal. Duplexer, the doggy door for receiving and transmitter so it can receive on one antenna. An antenna, which transmits the signal. The receiver, which amplifies the signal and then routes to the indicator, which displays the signal. Sleep better at night knowing the men and women in the armed forces are well versed in this technology and its tactical advantages it gives each and every day. The end.